All right. What is up, everybody? We are live. It is Monday. Yesterday was Super Bowl Sunday, and man, that was an insane game, dude. I gotta admit that I'm not the biggest follower of football. I'm pretty much usually geeked out in music or AI, but I had to watch the game yesterday. And if there were going to be two teams in the Super Bowl, you would expect that game to be as close as it was, right? Like, that was insane. So super cool. I hope you guys all had a great time and spent some time with your family. But a lot was happening. A lot was happening last week. A lot of things changed in the AI world, and I'm here to keep you up to date on what is going on. So first and foremost, if you guys have been in the AI scene for even a couple of days, you guys have probably already know that Google has a Chatgpt wannabe that used to be called Bard. It's been around for a long time. It's been powered by a whole bunch of different engines, but recently Google has basically implemented one of their large language models, which is called Gemini, into Bard itself. And what we've seen is that now, this last week, Bard went bye-bye. It's gone. It's dead. It's no longer in existence, and it's been replaced with Gemini. So Google has officially released their large language model, Gemini, in place of Bard, and you do have two options on this, okay? You have the free version, which is Gemini, and it's a lot like ChatGPT 3.5. Pretty much, you're looking at about equal on the platforms there. And then you have Gemini Advanced, which is Gemini's Ultra model, which we've all been waiting for the release on that. This is going to be Gemini Ultra 1.0. And you can now get access to this as the general public. All you have to do is go to Gemini and sign up. It's $19.99 a month, so basically the same cost as ChatGPT Premium. However, it's not there yet. You may be seeing a lot of things in the scene where they're talking about Gemini being a ChatGPT killer and, oh, it's going to be so much better. And I'm here to tell you right now that that's not the case yet. I think that a lot of the people in the AI industry is going to agree with me, saying that Google did fumble a little bit on the release of Gemini Ultra. It's still got capabilities, and it's definitely very fast. It's got a little bit more flair and personality in it than ChatGPT does, but the reality is that it's not quite there yet. But it's going to be cool. So once again, you're going to start seeing a lot of these new options out there, so it won't just be ChatGPT. But as far as Gemini being a ChatGPT killer, I'm saying nope, not going to happen. They're releasing Gemini Ultra, which is barely competing with ChatGPT 4, and we've even seen interviews with Sam Altman right now talking about how, you know, they're working very, very hard on updating ChatGPT. Whether that looks like it's going to be in the form of ChatGPT 4.5 or maybe even just a full-blown ChatGPT 5 release is anybody's guess. But as of right now, in the current field that we are at, ChatGPT 4 is still the king. So with that being said, there's so much happening in the AI world right now. OpenAI has basically showcased another bot called it's actually the XI bot, or X1 bot, sorry, and they're calling it Eve. And this bot is basically showcased going around a factory, packing up packages, such as like what would be done in Amazon. It's even capable of knowing when its battery's low and going into its charging dock and plugging itself in. This is going to be a game changer, especially in the manufacturing industry. I think we are going to probably see a lot of jobs lost with this, which is definitely unfortunate, but it's going to happen no matter what, right? AI is here. It's not just a fad. It's not just some thing that's going to be popular this year. I think we are going to see so many changes in the way everyday life is lived because of the way that we are able to implement these new artificial intelligence into robots that can actually perform functions that humans can. So as this starts to develop, I'm going to keep you guys on top of this major, because this is going to be huge. Like I've said before, 2024 isn't just going to be the year of AI. It's going to be the year of AI implementation inside of physical robots, and it's going to be crazy. I mean, think about it. Like, wait till we can afford to put a robot in our house to have it do all the things we don't want to do, right? Like our laundry and the dishes and cleaning the house. It's going to be absurd. I'm looking forward to it. I don't know if you are, but I am, and I'm super excited about it. So moving on, Google We're going to stick on a little bit more of the Gemini thing. Google has also released their next generation text-to-image model called Imagen 2. And this is inside Gemini. And I have to tell you, I played with this a little bit right out the gate because I had heard some things about it being, you know, extremely, extremely realistic as far as the image output goes. So I went in and I started playing with it. I said, hey, you know, show me an image of or create me an image of a 2002 Subaru WRX, which a lot of you know I own one of those, and I absolutely love that car. It's my favorite car next to the Skyline GTR. But I said, hey, create me a image of a 2002 Subaru WRX with the Denver skyline in the background at sunset with the mountains behind the skyline. And when it popped this image up, I was blown away. I mean, honestly, I thought it like scrubbed the internet and found an image that was just close to what I wanted it to be and posted it up there. It was undistinguishable between it being AI or it being a real image. So I think that there's tons and tons of possibility with Imagen 2. I would recommend that you guys all go play with that and just see what you can get it to generate and experiment with that. It's only going to get better, but that is one thing that Google did not fumble on, in my opinion, is that they have got a seriously, seriously worthy text-to-image generation model there, which is called Imagen 2. So play with it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here to help you guys with your prompting, so that way you can get better results from this artificial intelligence that we're using. So going back and forth here, kind of like a game of catch. We're going to go back into AI or OpenAI. These guys are on it, man. Sam Altman actually just announced that they are looking to raise trillions, not billions, but trillions of dollars towards going into creating artificial general intelligence, which we're not there yet. A lot of people don't really understand that. I'll break that down in another video. We can go through all the three major types of AI that are out there right now. But basically, we're in the middle ground. We're still far away from artificial general intelligence at this point. However, OpenAI has transferred over to something that we're going to be calling agents. And what agents are is basically going to be a little smart robot that's not physical, but it's a little smart robot that can actually take over your device. And it can do things like creating spreadsheets and creating graphs and responding to emails and, you know, getting onto your Facebook and posting and responding and just making... It's crazy, guys. Like we have never had anything like this before. Yes, we've had little bots like back in the day. My band used to put these little bots to work on MySpace. If you're old enough, you'll remember MySpace. But we all used to be able to go to the pages, right? And we'd be able to put our comments on the pages of these people that we liked. And I had a little robot that would go on there and it would automatically post a music video or a video with No One Left Standing's music in the background, and it would go and it would post it on all of these, I guess, prostitutes' pages because they were getting all the hits in MySpace, and it was on autoplay. So my bot would go out there and it would post thousands of these a day, and it would get us all of these plays on our page and stuff and make us look super famous, even though nobody was really listening. But this is kind of what's going to happen, but on a much more sophisticated level here with OpenAI and these new agents that they're going to be releasing here soon. So, you know, imagine having a task where you need to go collect a whole bunch of data, put it into a spreadsheet, and then turn it into graphs and create a presentation. This can all happen now by you instructing a bot to do it and saving you the time from having to do it. So this is absolutely going to be insane, guys. Not out yet, want to clarify that, but it's coming soon. They're talking about it. A lot of people from OpenAI that are employees there have been talking about this on X. So it's definitely coming. And when it does, it's going to be a game changer. You guys, AI is not just a fad. It's not just a trend. This is here to change things. You know, we've got some big players out there that are talking about this being, you know, bigger than the invention of fire, guys. So this is going to be life-changing stuff no matter what avenue you guys sit in. AI is here to stay, and I am here to keep you guys on top of what's going on, making sure that you stay up to date, because everything is changing so fast in this industry right now that it is really hard to stay up to date. So this is where I come in. I want to keep you guys up to date. I want to help you guys understand that AI is not going to replace you. It may replace some jobs out there, but there's always going to be this augmented factor with AI for now, until artificial general intelligence is created. But for now, it still needs human interaction in order to work. So think of it more as a tool, and it's a tool that's available to each and every one of you. So if you're choosing not to use it, you're going to get left behind. You need to get into it. You need to learn it. You need to learn how to use it. And I know that that sounds overwhelming. So I'm here to help you with that. If you guys are looking on ways that you can implement artificial intelligence into your business to help you streamline your systems and make your overall customer experience more valuable and appreciated by our customers, then call me. Send me a DM, comment below, let me know you're interested, and I can reach out to you. We can set up some time to talk, and we can go through this stuff and see how AI can help your business, especially if you're in real estate, guys. I am using AI in over 85% of my business right now. I use it for everything. Obviously, this isn't AI here yet, but it may be someday. So with that being said, shoot me a DM. I've got so much stuff coming. I'm working on an AI course right now. I'm coaching agents on how to use AI. I'm building out custom GPTs for people who just don't want to learn the tech side of it, but they want to take advantage of the ability of AI. I can build this stuff out for you. This is what I do on my free time. I'm a geek. I love music. I love technology. So let's combine forces and let me help you. Like I said, don't hesitate to DM me, give me a call, or shoot a comment below that says you're interested, and I will reach out to you guys and make sure we get you guys going. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I hope your week is packed full of awesomeness and leveling up as people and in our businesses. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay tough, stay awesome, and let's keep trucking. I'll see you guys later.